Here's a new 2018 Chevrolet Cruze. This bold Cruze has the confidence to get you as far as your imagination can take you. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, manual telescoping steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. AutoWeek explains the Cruze symbolizes the progress that GM is making to sort out its engineering fundamentals, product quality, and global manufacturing plan. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Experience it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.